Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Cold Blue Cam, and the title of the video is every wrong thing you could do when arrested. Man, let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man, because this sound like it's gonna be good.
In October 2023, while performing his routine duties, an officer came across a suspicious vehicle in a church parking lot in Holman, Wisconsin. The officer recognized a 42-year-old man as Ricardo, who was outside his vehicle working on something. Aware of Ricardo's numerous past encounters with law enforcement and observing his unusual behavior at such a late hour, the officer decided to see what he was up to. When the officer pulled up in his unmarked truck and identified himself as police, Ricardo wasn't buying it and quickly jumped into his vehicle while yelling, "I'm going to kill you."
Yeah, I am. You don't believe me?
I don't believe you at all.
Oh, I let you go. 702 at 28. Just had an awkward contact with him. I'm going to follow him here for a little bit. He had yelled something about trying to kill me or wanting to kill me. Start me as suspicious for right now.
It was also discovered Ricardo was out on 3 misdemeanor bonds. And by the way, if you're interested in true chilling stories, check out our new channel, Beneath the Badge, where we dive into the gripping and intense moments of
Though till I get a second unit for southbound Holman Drive coming up to Sunset. 702, I'm not even trying to stop him. We're going 60 now. He's increasing speeds. HD Sunset.
333. I'm northbound on 35. I'll start angling that way. 326 and 3502.
702, he's driving erratic here. Still southbound Holman Drive, just ran a yellow light. HD and full court. I'm still waiting for a second unit before I initiate a stop.
He gradually increased his speed, soon reaching 70 miles per hour in a posted 35 mile per hour zone.
705, I'm at the south interchange now.
02 to 05, just make sure you kill your light. Sometimes he doesn't see it. We are 70 southbound 35 right now.
Due to his threat and erratic driving behavior, a high-risk stop was initiated and several officers responded.
702, I'm going to initiate a stop here, 35 and 02.
Dropped down the main for the Holman traffic stop. Other cars go to short too.
702, I think we're going to stop here, 35 and 02. We're stopped 35 and OT. When do you guys get on a PA? We're gonna order them out. Is there multiples? No, there's one. So you getting on PA? I'll find out. Get somebody on it just to order them out. You guys on PA or you want me?
Driver, you are under arrest. Put your hands out of the window.
Didn't need that, but.
Put your hands out the window. Show us your hands.
Oh, order them back.
Ooh, they about to hit him with that act right, huh?
Try to get him right here.
Yeah. Stand up.
Is he on the ground?
Yeah, he's moved on the ground. Turn around. Face away from me.
Despite commands to exit the vehicle, Ricardo did not comply and would randomly reach into the vehicle.
Don't reach.
Hey, hey!
Do not reach. Stop reaching.
Yep. No, I got him.
Reaching. Back up.
Watch his right hand. Ricardo, walk backwards.
Stop reaching. Put your hands up. Stop reaching. Back up slowly. Stop.
Can you see another occupant?
And lift it up.
It looked like he was talking.
Back of your shirt by your collar. Grab the back of your shirt by your collar. Lift it up.
He eventually began stripping off all his clothes and at one point dropped his boxers, exposing his bare ass.
Pete, put your hands on top of your head. Stop.
All right, well, this is getting weird. Hey, Ricardo!
Stop.
Ricardo!
Hands on top of your head.
Take some steps to your right.
Walk to your right.
The other right.
17,
Towards the grass.
To your right. Keep going.
Ricardo, leave your jacket there.
Keep going to your right.
Leave it there. Keep walking to your right. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going.
All right, stop right there. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice.
Permission rest 20.
You got cuffs?
I got hands, yeah.
Leave the coat. Leave it. Go to the grass. Go to the grass.
Hamilton Road is the road that has the bridge collapse up. Bryan Road.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Coming from this side. Okay.
That's not cool.
95 Ricardo.
I was speeding, that's all I was doing. That guy was not a cop, dude.
I am that guy.
You're not that
I
guy.
am that guy, dude.
No, you are not.
Made a comment you're gonna kill me or
You were
something
not
too.
that
That was
guy.
kind of weird.
You are not that guy.
I am that guy.
No, you were not.
Let's just check him quick and we'll try to get him stood up. 702, you can open the channel. We'll get one detained.
He stashed the keys on, that's what he was doing, so he locked it up.
You got anything on you, bud?
No.
No, nothing at all? Okay, let's roll him my way.
Okay.
All right, bring your knees up to your chest.
Careful with my cell phone, please.
Yep, knees up to your chest. Come on.
I will.
I'm gonna help you get up. No, I want you to roll over this way, and I want you to bring your knees up to your chest.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
I can't move. My legs are hurt. Sure.
I'm gonna pull the pants up.
All right. You've been here before, bro. Come on now.
Yeah, I know.
Where'd you put your keys?
Keys are in my pocket.
Put your hands on your pants.
Yeah, you don't want to.
I'm gonna go to my squad here. We'll search him, but he's got a bunch of crap in his pockets.
I
So.
would just make use of you guys so you don't get freaked out, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I appreciate that.
No problem.
I'm gonna walk up to the front of my car here.
That was a strip. That was like a straight strip right there.
It literally was.
So if you can bag that up, is that cool?
You just never know some days. He's usually got a lot of stuff in his pockets.
Yeah. Oh, car is awfully full.
What were you doing over at the church?
I was gonna have some dinner. Some guy came out of the woods talking about like, I'm a policeman.
I didn't come out of the woods. I drove up there to see what you were doing.
You didn't even see, how can you put your lights on then?
Why would I put my lights on? I was just seeing what you were doing. I wasn't pulling you over.
Me? You wasn't you?
Yeah, you kind of took off like a
Of
maniac.
course I did. You think I want to die out in the woods?
You weren't in the woods. You were in a parking lot.
I don't care. It's still out there. Holman's Holman. It's kind of out there, but I don't want to do this. All I did was reckless driving.
Appreciate you admitting that.
Speeding. The cross had been like $500 somewhere. Bunch of points taken off. I'll go to dummy class.
You act like you've done it before.
Been here, done that. Not drunk and drank, but not that.
Okay.
Now I got to walk, drive on eggshells. I haven't got no speeding tickets and all that.
Oh,
Paid my parking ticket already, so that's good to go. I gotta go to court on 26, by the way.
For what?
I could go for one of your stupid idiots for having a crush on my sister. And, well, you're Holman, I guess, civilian.
You have to go to court because
I go on
the cop has a crush on your sister?
No, some real little nerd. Bag of glasses.
You have to go to court because
Gotta go to court on 26 over there for someone over here in Holman. I gotta go to court on 26 for lacrosse with my stupid brother.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you at all here, Ricardo?
Oh, it's in my other one.
You got 2 wallets. I've never seen a man with 2
This guy
wallets.
got robbed in Sparta.
Got robbed, so you got 2 wallets?
Yes.
Doesn't that double the chances of you getting robbed?
There's a chance that I may get the right one.
Oh, so it's like one's a decoy,
Yes.
but they're both attached to your hip.
That's it.
The week after that when he took the shopping rack and started beating everybody at Walmart.
Yeah, that surprised me because he's been so docile. I've talked to him
Yep.
so many times. It's his temper. Because somebody was talking to him in festival parking lot, and he threw a bottle, and he had it cleaned up and apologized. And by the time I got there, I was just like, "You gotta work on that, bud." That was one of my first time dealing with him.
I'm a cop. I'm like, who is your hiding in the goddamn truck? And I'm like, that. I ran. Literally ran like a.
Why'd you run?
Because I don't want to get my.
Why do you think we're gonna move you?
Not you.
Well, when we up here, I don't think
This
they've
guy was
ever molested
somebody
you.
else. I don't know what the hell happened. I just kept running like a mother. I didn't even look.
Yeah, you were driving like a maniac.
Of course I was. I was driving. I mean, I was waiting. I swear. I didn't run a red light.
You were close. I would say you ran a yellow light.
Okay, that, I guess.
Yellow usually means slow down.
Well, I was scared he had a gun or something. What am I supposed to do? I don't want to die tonight.
Are you staying clean?
Yeah, I'm clean. I'm not even drinking anymore.
They're,
In my pocket.
yeah, I just had them. Pocket, I think I'll grab them here.
Where are they from? Is it me or is it like these guys look kind of weird? Like all of them. Like I'm sitting here like, what? Like we got one of the cops got like the pedo mustache. You got the suspect with the weird sideburns. The redhead that's or maybe he's blonde or something. Who's this guy? Let me see. Where is it? Yeah, let's see.
Something. What am I supposed to do? I don't want to die tonight.
Yeah, that guy. This guy is kind of like, you know, god damn. You know, I don't know where this is at, but it's rough out there, man. But yeah, I ain't really got much to say, honestly, because this guy is he's pretty much an incel. And he giving off, Magic Mike, lessons and stuff like that. So I really ain't got much to say. I'm just sitting here watching this and I'm like, yeah, these guys are kind of strange, Hey, and they say people will do strange things for a piece of change. You know what I mean?
Are you staying clean?
Yeah, I'm clean. I'm not even drinking anymore.
They're.
My pocket.
Yeah, I just had them. Pocket, I think. I'll grab them here. I mean, identify myself as a police officer, and he said something like, "No, you're not. I'm gonna kill you." Something to that effect. Then he got in his truck right like he was just gonna take off. I probably won't go that route, but it was very, very weird. He thought it came out of the woods and was gonna molest him or something. So he's hanging out, working on something outside of his truck.
Had some dinner, and I was like, go in there, jumped in, hopped in, drove like a motherfucker.
What were you gonna have for dinner?
I was gonna have some coleslaw.
Coleslaw in the church parking lot. All right, man. On a Friday night, I'll switch it to you again. I'm gonna.
What else are you guys supposed to do? Let me run?
I was just happy you pulled over. I didn't think you were going to.
Lights.
What's that?
So happy to see the flashing lights.
Yeah, I didn't seem very happy about that, but
I wasn't going to be taken by no. I'm a fake cop, bull.
Yeah, I'm not fake cops. All right, let's go around to that side here. I'm gonna put you in the back of the squad. You're gonna go to jail tonight, dude.
Oh,
So.
that's fine.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
Drunken and belligerent, I guess.
I don't think you're drunk, but you're kind of acting like a maniac.
It's easier if you step up, boss.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Maybe just say this is a situation where you save me from some psychotic guy with a gun.
You do understand that I was the guy that came up to you and talked to you, right? What did you say? You said you were gonna kill me or something.
Who was going to say that? You threw my shit and ran.
Yeah, why did you say you were gonna kill me?
Weren't you? That was not you.
That was me. That was literally
That was
this vehicle.
No f***ing
You
way.
said, who are you? And I said, I'm the police. And then you scattered into your truck and took off like a maniac.
That was not you.
Okay. All right. Then you pulled in front of a car. Did you see that?
That was not you. I'm not falling down for this shit anymore.
Oh.
Go ahead, throw me in jail.
Well, it was. You
I'm
can...
a f***ing yell. I'm a Chicano! Listen to me, I'm a Chicano! Come on, man. Let's get this over. Get down,
All right. Sounds good.
Talking shit is not f***ing illegal.
I'm not. No, you're right. I don't know what that even was. I don't know what he was yelling. Chicago something? That was weird. That was really weird. I didn't know it was him right away, of course. And then I
man.
kind of was trying to run the plate, and I was like, oh, I bet I know who this is. It kind of makes sense.
Come on, you don't know what the Chicanos is, man. Come on, you guys don't. You don't watch 60 Days In? Nothing. It's prison terms, man. Chicano. That's you got the whites, you got the blacks, you got Chicanos, which is your Hispanic group, and the whites would be whites or Aryan Brotherhood or something like that. Prison, when you get into prison, it's segregated. You know what I'm saying? Got to be with your peoples. So he was yelling Chicanos because he probably knows because he's been to jail. So he know the deal.
So we were hauling. Yeah. It was he was doing 60 something on Holman Drive. We got to 35. He was doing 70, and then he was kind of cutting in on a lane to go around cars. Well, we're gonna go to jail for probably reckless driving. He admitted he was reckless driving. He literally flat out told me he was. So we'll do that. We'll do some traffic tickets. I'm gonna probably throw in a DC. We got traffic going by, and he's taking his clothes off. So. Yeah.
At least it's walking distance. If I go to jail and cross.
Walking distance to where?
We're going to class. Are we going to cross or are we going to Holman?
We're gonna go to La Crosse.
I had to chase you 60 miles an hour.
Yeah, you were driving pretty fast there, dude.
I know I was going fast. Let's try to get back to La Crosse, dude. Well, at least I got a free ride.
Well, they're towing your truck, so.
Been there, done that. Far enough.
Yeah, you've been around the block lately, man. You've had a lot of police contacts.
I talked to my attorney. I got the right to remain silent. Anything I say we're using something. That was a fake f***ing cop all the f***ing way.
I was that cop.
I didn't see your face at all when you were talking to that truck, but that was you. So I don't even feel that bit f***ing sorry. Walking your beat to get my truck.
That was an interesting song.
I'm just saying that's how I feel about this bullshit.
shit.
How many times you been to jail recently?
I don't know. Why don't you go ask your fucking lieutenant, you sucker?
I am the lieutenant.
Yeah, you're the lieutenant. You kiss my.
Take your time. No rush. Alright. Take a left. Sit on the concrete there. Appreciate it. I'm gonna have a bunch of tickets in here for you, Ricardo, okay? Just so you're aware. Court date's gonna be next Thursday, so. First one's for the reckless driving, the yellow light violation. You said it was red, but I think it was yellow, so I'll give you a break on.
Okay, you can fucking put red on it.
Okay, I don't know what that means, but failed to yield right away. You pulled in front of that car.
Good for you.
And then the unreasonable and imprudent speed, okay?
Yeah, whatever.
You were doing like 60 miles an
I
hour.
have my name with the judge.
Yep, well, everybody does, so. You say you your pants? You can't be driving like that, dude.
No,
Well, you should care. What if you end up hurting somebody?
that's fine. Let's go. In jail.
I don't think it's fine to hurt somebody. I don't want you to hurt anybody.
While in the booking area of the jail, he suddenly became agitated and began demanding to be tased.
I don't think I understood any of that.
I don't know what we make from this military guy. You can ask him to tase me. Come on, go tase me. Go ahead.
No, have a seat.
Tase me right now, you sucker.
Have a seat. Now you're gonna piss these guys off, and you don't want to do that.
Ricardo, what's going on, man?
Not much. You get on my nerves.
We're having a conversation.
Start yelling. All right? Come on, man.
Yeah, that's fine.
He had a bunch of crap in his pockets. We got probably most of it out, but I probably didn't get all of
Get
it.
out of here.
You gonna be all right with us, though?
I'm fine, yeah. I just want to get in jail so I get over with it. Wait till tomorrow.
He's been like super chill, and then he's been like,
I don't care. I got sick of dealing with Sparta. I don't deal with your ass.
"Thank you, sir."
What's going on?
Oh, it's just been a night. This guy's crazy. I know you guys have dealt with him before, but
Oh, yeah.
he's out there.
As a result, Ricardo was charged with misdemeanor counts of disorderly conduct and bail jumping. He also received over $900 in traffic citations and was released on a $1,000 signature bond, only to be arrested 3 more times in 2023. Nearly a year later, the court considered a total of 6 separate active misdemeanor cases involving Ricardo, in which he was ultimately found guilty. However, the charges related to this incident were dismissed but read in, and all his citations were dropped at the prosecutor's request. In the end, he was sentenced to 78 days in the La Crosse County Jail. And again, don't forget to
Honestly, what a joke. You can't make this shit up, man. Less than 90 days. Less than 90 days. And this is why people just continue to commit crimes. He has been nothing but a headache. What they say, 6 cases or something like that? When they picked him up for this case, he was already on 3 misdemeanor bonds. 3. And then they let him out for a 4th. After one of the charges was bail jumping. And then they get dismissed for this case. Oh my God. Oh my God, you can't make this up.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.